Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if every time your computer restarts coming across. So let's finish setting up your device screen. So if you want to turn this off and don't want to be promote every time your computer restarts, you have to fill them out. Today's video how to turn that off. Let's jump straight into it guys. Go to settings, open it and go to notifications. Scroll down guys. Now click on additional settings. Here will be an option guys, additional settings, off suggestion on how I can set up my device. Uncheck the box. And one more time I'm saying offer suggestion on how I can set up my device, and check the box and click close out of here. That's it guys for today's video. Hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching my video guys.